Food is the only thing that has never wronged me. Let us make a nice omelette with simple ingredients. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need onions, you're going to need green peppers, tomatoes, your fillings. It could be a cooked bacon, it could be anything of your choice, because we've got different preferences when it comes to food. You're going to start by rubbing your pan with oil. Make sure that it's well greased, because you don't want an omelette that is soaking on oil. You're just basting the pan just so that you get it greased, because that's what you need for the omelette to work perfectly. So there I am. I'm putting in my well beaten egg on the pan, and after I finish putting my well beaten egg in the pan, I'm going to start laying my ingredients on the egg. I started with onion, I followed with green pepper, I followed with tomatoes, and then I put, because I use Russian in this case, I had Russian, so I used the chopped Russian. I put it there, and then I put a cheese on top of it, and then I started folding my omelette to a desired shape. You can fold it into a half, you can fold it into a half moon, whatever shape that you desire. And then once I've laid all my ingredients together, I am folding over, like a fold over, depending on how big you want it to be, or depending on how many people you're making it for, because that one was too huge. I was not going to finish it on my own, so I made it and I shared it with my kids here at home, because it's huge. It made 3 pieces altogether. So as you can see, I have layered all my ingredients, and if you want, you can season that onion and that green pepper that you have put underneath. If you want, you don't need to season it. You can season it as you are eating with salt and pepper, or you can season it right underneath. Now I am folding over my omelette. I'm folding it nicely over, because the filling inside, you see, it's really stuffed, so I have to fold it twice so that it can actually fold it over nicely and make perfect sense. So I am using 2 spatulas to make sure that whatever that I'm trying to create there, that perfect creation. Oh, my fillings are falling all over, so I had to fix. You know what they say, we eat with our eyes. Before you can even put the food in your mouth, it has to be appealing to the eye, no matter how good the food tastes. But the moment I look at the food and I see the nucleus that does not make sense, the nucleus that is not appetizing, automatically I count me out on that dish, because you know what? Yeah. So at this point, I had almost forgotten to put my cheese
whatever
inside
you
there.
have in the house.
You can use any kind of cheese,
work.
right? You can use grated cheddar, you can use grated parmesan. This time I used this one because it's what I had available. So I just folded it over with a slice. I just topped it with a slice of cheese, and then voila, my omelette is done. So what did I have my omelette with? Well, obviously, the nice thing to have an omelette with is something that has got, something that bread or something like that. So I had mine with a toast, and yeah. And then that was it. Food is the only thing that has never wronged me. Oh, look at that. I tried, and it just go boom, because it's too huge. But well, as I mentioned, that I shared this with 3 people. I could not eat and finish all of it.
It's not supposed to break.
It was 3 of us who shared it, and we ate, and we were full. Actually, the one thing that I love about omelette is the fact that
it's no big deal.
It saves a lot, because look at the ingredients that I've put there. You put those ingredients once. You don't have to put all over again, especially when you're making a breakfast. It's holidays and there are a lot of kids in the house, or there are a lot of people. You really don't want to start beating egg one by one, making breakfast for everyone. With this, I shared it with 3 people, and then the next special can be if there are 6 or 8 people in the house, which means I can just 3 times in the pan and then I'm done, or just use 2 pans at once and then I'm done. That's the beauty of it. Nobody wants to slave away in the kitchen during the festivities, during the long weekend. Like it is the long weekend in South Africa right now. So yeah, so as you can see, I had to cut mine. There was another piece of it, and I shared another piece with the kids in the house, and we enjoy the omelette. I hope you do too. So if you do like my videos, please do comment down below, give me a like. And I just garnished my omelette with ovals on top because, you know, don't want to say a healthy meal make a happy face. I topped it with an omelette. You can top yours with anything that you want to. You can top it with a sauce, with whatever that you like to have it with. And then I had mine with bread and a nice cup of mocha chocolate. It was yummy, and this was a cold day when I was making this. Oh, everybody loved it, everybody enjoyed it. And this is how it looked like when it was complete. Guys, you don't have to go and spend a lot of money at the restaurant to eat these things. You know, just create a nice homey hearty meal at home. Enjoy and save money, and especially with economy, Ramaphosa is really not favoring us at this point. So we have to try to make everything work in the comfort of our homes. So if you like my videos, if you like my cooking, you can share with me how you make your omelette, or you can share with me or ask me anything about the recipes that I made. And remember that we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers on the channel, I am going to invite people who cook, content creators who make scrumptious meals, that always show us good meals in and around where I stay. I'm going to do restaurant reviews. I'm going to do cheap budget restaurants. I'm going to do, I'm going to do a lot. I will expand what you see on this channel. But right now, all I'm asking of you is that you do subscribe, and you do turn on that notification bell, because that notification bell, it helps you to see that the video is up. There is something that I've posted and you must go and check it out. And it also helps YouTube to realize that people like my videos, and then they'll have to show and share the videos to as many people as they can. And please do, if you happen to see the adverts popping up on these videos, please guys, do me a favor and watch the adverts. I love you. Bye.